when we come to standing, you want to think about keeping your feet together, lift your thighs up, lift your kneecaps up, pull your abdomen in and up. And now just try to do a balancing on your toes, keeping that engagement in the core. Inhale, raise the arms up and heels up without losing that. And then exhale, bring the arms down and the heels down. So you can do that a few more times. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, arms down and heels down.
Transfer your weight over to the left side. Reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose. Press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body.
So from here, shifting your body weight all the way towards your right leg and slowly extending the back foot really back and bringing your torso straight. And once you're ready, slowly bring your arms all the way up and look down.
Grab your right ankle, keeping your knee joint close, and let your right foot slowly slide into half lotus position. Then reach around your back and hold on to your foot and fold forward, placing your left palm strongly on the mat. And hold on there for at least 5 to 6 breaths.
Coming to Garudasana, you want to take your right foot, hook it behind your left leg. Start with the hands on the waist here. Feel the stretch in your outer hips. Take the right hand underneath your left. Wrap the hands together. Touch the palms. If you can clasp your hands, you can do that. Otherwise, just touch the palms, the fingers, and squat lower.